Hello everyone, this is Conrado from Home Vision Mortgage here at the Monday Mortgage Minute. At the Monday Mortgage Minute, we're here to demystify the whole mortgage process and make it simple. Similar to our motto here at Home Vision Mortgage, which is we make home buying simple, home buying made simple. So today I don't have my regular Home Vision merchandise on. However, I still have that intent. I still have the desire to bring relevant, hot and fresh topics to you, mortgage related, of course. That being said, let me just jump right straight to it. I want to talk to you today about forbearances. Now, during the height of COVID, there was a provision made for buyers or homeowners, borrowers, let's call them, to be able to kind of, I won't say skip their payments, but uh, delay their payments towards the end of the loan, called a forbearance. So pretty much if you were, whatever payments you missed 3, 4 payments, that payment, they'll give you an opportunity to now tack that on to the back of the loan in the form of a silent title or even a second title, in which that would be a separate amount that would be due on the payment of the first mortgage. So I'm giving a lot of fancy terms there to kind of describe the situation because it was quite interesting. That process, in the height of COVID, the people losing jobs, the slowdown, or pretty much shut down the economy, made it difficult for many to find or refi to get out of that situation. So they were put in the forbearance. Now, when it comes to refinancing now, if you are currently under a forbearance, you might find issues refinancing because there are stipulations for you to be able to, or requirements that you need to meet to be able to now refi. For example, you need 3 months of on-time payments and you need your documentation to show that. So I found it interesting that in the time where a refinance would have helped many of these families, that's when a refinance became very difficult. And through and a way out called forbearance, which ended up being helpful. But what I'm seeing on my end is that when it comes to refinancing or when it comes to the mortgage, it came with a whole bunch of surprises. Many of the clients that I've dealt with said, I didn't know I had a second title on my home. I didn't know it worked this way. So in these instruments, these financial instruments, these things that are there to your disposal, please contact a professional that knows what's going on. Reach out. I think most of us in the mortgage industry will answer questions pretty much for free, like I said before. But many of these families have gotten caught out there that a forbearance actually affected them in a negative way, not necessarily their credit, but it affected them from being able to qualify for a refinance. I know there's a lot of information in just a short time, but I just wanted to shoot it out to you guys and kind of spell out the forbearances that we're giving when it comes to the mortgages during COVID, but also the possible solutions out there, what you need. But ultimately, don't just take this little bit of information. Tap into your mortgage professional who I hope has a wealth of information that can help you navigate the waterways of buying or refinancing your next or your new home. Take care as always. See you next week.